In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Yoroi wallet to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to wallets up top inside your Koinly dashboard. You want to go to add wallet or exchange, and you want to look for Yoroi. So just type in Yoroi. There we go. As you can see, it's over here. Just click on it. And then from here, you can select either import from file. So if you have a transaction history, use this one. Or if you want to set up auto sync, you can also use this one, which is usually the most convenient way. So just click on that. And then from here, you first have to basically select the address. So I'm going to go inside Yoroi over here. As you can see, I have the wallet on my browser. There we go. And then here you can go and basically do receive. And inside here where you have receive, you can basically generate or get your wallet address. So this is my wallet address over here for Cardano. I can go and click on copy over here, and then you have to select your blockchain. So for me, it's Cardano. I'm gonna paste in the key just like this, which is basically just by clicking on here, you can copy this and you're good to go. And then here you can just click on the import button and it's gonna say added Yoroi. You can go to wallets and you'll be able to see that you've successfully synced your Yoroi wallet to Koinly. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.